Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Supabase Edge Functions to process payments, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Supabase Edge Functions to process payments, begin by creating a new Supabase project. Once your project is set up, navigate to the Edge Functions section in the Supabase dashboard. Click on the Create Function button to start a new Edge function. Name your Edge function something descriptive, like process payment. Select the appropriate runtime for your function, such as Dino. After creating the function, you'll be directed to the function's code editor. In the code editor, import the necessary libraries for handling payment processing. You may want to integrate a payment provider's SDK, like Stripe or PayPal. Define a handler function that will process incoming requests. Parse the request body to extract the payment details you require. Validate the payment information to ensure it meets the necessary criteria. Use the payment provider's SDK to create a payment intent or charge. Handle any errors that might arise during the payment processing. If the payment is successful, return a success response to the client. If there's a failure, return an appropriate error response. Test your Edge function locally using the provided Supabase CLI tools. Deploy your Edge function to make it active in your Supabase project. Once deployed, use the endpoint URL provided by Supabase for further integration. You can now link the endpoint in your front-end application to trigger the payment process. Make sure to add appropriate security measures, such as validating incoming requests. Monitor your Edge function for performance and any potential issues. Finally, iterate on your function as needed to improve its functionality and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.